Hello students, I am Aarti Sharma and today I am going to teach you the first chapter of your supplement reader Moments. The name of the chapter is The Lost Child, which is written by Mulk Raj Anand. So before reading the chapter, let us look at the objectives of this chapter. After reading this chapter, you will be able to explain the importance of virtues like compassion, kindness, helpfulness, etc. And you will be able to compare and contrast the child's behavior and attitude in happiness and sadness. After this, let us talk about the theme of the chapter. The theme is based upon the love for parents. The story describes the human nature. Children enjoy things in the company of their parents only. The desires of the child is focused, and when lost, we only want our family. This is the theme that is discussed in this. This chapter is written by Mulk Raj Anand. He was born in Peshawar. Now, Peshawar is in Pakistan on 12 December 1905. He is notable for his depiction of the lives of the poorer castes in traditional Indian families. His famous works are Untouchable, Coolie, Two Leaves and a Bud, etc. And he was the recipient of the civilian honor of the Padma Bhushan. He died in 2004, 28 September in Pune, Maharashtra. This was all about the author. Now let us move on to the characters. There are no names are given in this chapter of the characters. Only we have the lost child and there is one person, the unknown man, who we can call as stranger. So the lost child, he is very excited because he is going to the fair with his parents. He is fascinated by many things which he sees in the fair. Then he asks his parents to buy the things he sees. He is a obedient child. He is always asking his parents for the things that he require or that he wants. When separated from his parents, tears roll down his eyes. Means now he is worried. He is in a sad mood because he is separated from his parents. And he wanted his parents more than anything else in the fair. Now earlier he wanted all the things when he was with his parents, but when he is separated from his parents, he does not want all the things which are present in the fair. Now let us talk about the person who is an unknown man. He is kind and generous. Why he is kind and generous? Because when the child was lost, he was in that crowd and he came forward to help the child to try to find out his parents. And he tried to console the boy by each and every way. The boy was crying, he was sobbing, but he tried to console that boy and he helped him to find out his parents. So, from this introduction, we come to know that this story expresses the human nature that throughout our life we keep on searching happiness in materialistic things and keep demanding them, but ultimately the happiness lies in the bond of the family. Parents and their support is the best gift from God. The Lost Child is the story of a small child who gets lost in a fair. He had gone with his parents to the fair but loses them when he gets engrossed in looking at a roundabout swing. The story highlights the bond of love and affection that the child shares with his parents. Before losing them, he had been demanding different things like sweets, balloons, flowers, swings, etc. But once he loses them, he is picked up by a stranger. The stranger tries to quieten the boy by offering him all these things that he had demanded from his parents, but the child does not want them anymore. He wants his parents first. So, we will discuss and read the chapter in the next video. So, stay safe, stay tuned.